spending anytime she wants, 'cause she keeps it crowded. Swinging through the lights, you're the tambourine girl. Shoot it from the hip, little killer with dark girl.
If you really approach your projects with an anything goes mentality and you're not afraid to try a few new things, you'll really open yourself up to some cool discoveries. Paint is not the only way that you can add color and design to something. You can actually do some pretty cool things with stains. You can experiment with layering up the different colors just like we did with the wood tones. You can experiment with different tools, get your splatters, your drops. Look at how vibrant that red is.
Come on, swing your tambourine. Keep it in the groove, everybody's watching. Every little move in your mind is awesome. Swing it through the lights, you're the tambourine girl. Shoot it from the hip, pretty killer with dark curls.
And by experimenting with the different ways that you add color to your stencils, you're really able to get a lot of different looks. You can create your own, which I'm a big fan of, very economical, especially if you're going to be creating a lot of canvases.
She moves it from the front to the back beat, shaking like a dashboard figurine, beautifully smashed up.
All of these techniques are very easy. You can't screw them up.
Keep it in the groove, everybody's watching. Every little move in your mind is awesome. Swing it through the lights, you're the tambourine girl. Shoot it from the hip, pretty killer with dark curls.